open feeding station. About 150 feet from my hives. Here's some with some little bit of kombucha. They're not on it right now, but they were. I think I see a magnet. That's a nail. Have them clean this comb up. And then I will put this in some frames. You can have the bee butter, a little bit of honey. Or bee bread, that is. There. Enjoying the nice warmth. I got it in a spot that gets a lot of sun. I imagine most of these, if not all, are my bees. Because the competing hive, I think, joined my hives. Yeah, I recognize that bee right there. About 63, 64 degrees. Right here, it's probably more because it's in the sun. It's a hive caddy that had some honey dripping in the bottom of it, so I put it out and then decided I'd have them clean up some honeycomb as well. It's got the bee bread and the pollen in it. Let them have that.